Bannachthan again to Inzi Gilg Learn Manx, our introductory series of videos to getting to grips with Manx Gaelic. In this one, we're going to go back to the past tense now and sort of mix it up a bit. There's two ways of looking at the past, using ver, which is the past tense of the verb to be, vami unstulish, vami skurit, and also using ren, which is the past of the verb to do or to make, which is jinu, and in the past form ren. But we use this, and this is very important, you have to use this with verbs. So remi shapel, remi govrka, etc. So we're going to try and mix them up a bit in this one. Well, Guramaid Hayley is kissed out.
Oh, Michael you.
Yinda sack. Rawu unstulish J.
Harami unstulish J.
Rawu unspalikashal J.
Harau.
Cred vow J.
Vami uns potlamora J.
Tammy tickle.
Rau uns balikashal J.
Harau. Vami uns perchan J. Raumenanen uns stulish J.
Harau.
Cred vey J.
Vey uns putna hinja J.
Shankiat. Rau rigori uns putna hinja J.
Harau vey uns balikalion J.
Okay, Tammy tickle. As Renu Chapel J.
Haren me chapel J.
Renjoni.
V chapel J.
Okay. Cred Rennie Chapel. Where did she shop? Cred Rennie Chapel.
Rennie chapel uns balikalion.
Oh, right. Okay. Shinqued. That's strange. Shinqued. As Renu Govrika J.
Ren.
Okay. Ren Mananin.
Rene Govrika J.
Cred Rene Govrika.
Rene Govrika uns runzer.
Okay. Smai Sheden. As Renu Jikin Erin Chelvis J.
Haren.
Nach Ren. Okay. Ren Mananin Jikin Erin Chelvis J.
Rene Jikin Erin Chelvis J.
Yindasak. As Rau Joni uns Krenesh J.
V.
Oh,
Rani.
Oh, Yindasak. As Cre, which means what? Cre Reni uns Krenesh. What did she do? Cre Reni uns Krenesh?
Well, Hareni chapel uns Krenesh.
Reni Chapel, yeah, Reni Gi Bonig uns Krenesh.
Ren.
Okay.
Reni Gi Bonig as Giu Ushjabe.
Tammy Tig uns Krenesh. As Cre Ren Menanin J.
Rene Gi Bonig Nies.
Okay. As Cremikian Re Gori Cre Rene J.
Rene Giu Ushjabe.
As Cre Renu.
Remi chapel.
Okay. As Cred Reni Chapel.
Remi chapel uns dulish.
Yindasak. Guramaid Hayley. That's it from this lesson using the past tense, using both the past tense of the verb to be, and ren, the past of the verb to do or to make. Guramaid Morid Hayley.
Nabafeg, wouldn't you?